Today's topic is unit number 5, book exercise. Today we will do book exercise page 53 to 54 along with comprehension of the text, class 9, subject English. So first of all, to solve our exercise number 13, we need to revise transitive verb. What are transitive verbs? A verb that takes an object is called a transitive verb. In simple words, you can say that a verb that is along with object is called a transitive verb. Examples: Bilal reads the book. This is a sentence which has its object in it. So there are two parts of sentence, subject and predicate. So Bilal is subject, reads is verb, and the book is object. So this is a sentence which takes an object in it. So it is called transitive verb. Now coming to intransitive verb. Intransitive verb is opposite of transitive verb. A verb that does not take an object is called an intransitive verb. Fish swims. Subject and predicate is swims. So in this sentence there is no object in it and it is termed as intransitive verb. Now revising the transitive and intransitive verb, now coming to the book exercise, which is exercise number 12. Find transitive verbs from the following list and use them in sentences. There are few verbs written over here and we have to find the transitive verbs and make sentences of these. So first word is give. This is transitive verb. We will make a sentence: my mother give me a new watch. So I'll make a question. So what is transitive verb? Transitive verb is a verb which takes an object in it and it answers the question what and whom. So we will check whether it answers us the question what or whom or not. My mother gave me what? A new watch. So the object answers me the question of what. So it is transitive verb. Eat. I like to eat healthy food. You like to eat what? Healthy food. So it is transitive verb. Drink. I drink a glass of water before lunch. Drink what before lunch? A glass of water. Keep. Can you keep secrets? Keep what? Keeps secrets. So these are some of the sentences which are transitive verbs. So give, eat, drink, keep. These are transitive verbs. And go, run, look, sleep. These are intransitive verbs. First, you can make sentences of these to find out whether these are intransitive verbs or not. Now coming to next exercise, which is gerund. First of all, we will revise the gerunds. Gerunds. What are gerunds? The gerunds are the verbal nouns. They are also the ing form of verb, but they work partially as verbs, partially as noun. Swimming is good for health. In this sentence, swimming is used as a noun and it works as a verb as well. So it is called gerund or verbal nouns. We can say that gerund is equal to verb plus noun. So verbal nouns or verb along with ing, it called gerund. Form gerunds from the verbs in the box and use them to complete sentences below. There are some words. First of all we have to form it in gerund and then we have to utilize it in our blanks. In many countries, dash can provide an economical way of moving around. In many countries, cycling. So the word cycle will be made as gerund and the word will become cycling. cycling, cycling. Dash is exciting, especially if you catch a big wave. Surfing. It is a water sport which is called surfing. S-U-R-F-I-N-G. Surfing. Leila is talented in dash and has received awards in many competitions. Leila is talented in painting. Now, coming to the next statement, my friend's hobby is dash, so she is going to make a big cake for my birthday. My friend's hobby is baking, B-A-K-I-N-G, baking. He was accused of cheating in the examination. Dash is strenuous on mountain trails. Racing. Strenuous, difficult on mountain trails, on mountain way. Dash is easy but only if your rope is of correct length. Skipping. Hiking is a dangerous sport. Settling into a new school involves dash new friends, making new friends. The thief admitted dash the priceless painting, stealing, chori karna. Hiking means to go on to the mountain. Now coming to present perfect tense. Why we are doing present perfect tense? Because for solving our next exercise. So we will to have a look on present perfect tense definition. It denotes that a certain action has just completed. It expresses an action that occurred or completed in the recent past. So present perfect tense, present perfect. So an action which is completed in the recent past is called present perfect tense. Example, the train has left for Lahore. Structure, subject plus helping verb, has, have, third form of verb plus object. In Urdu, the sentence ends at chuka hai, chuki hai, chuke hain. Now coming to exercise. Change the verb into correct form of present perfect tense. There are some words written in parentheses and we have to use these sentences and make it in present perfect tense. She dash sick. She has been sick. We have used the auxiliary or helping verb of present perfect tense and the verb which is third form of verb. So she has been sick. I dash finish my task. I have finished my task. So the auxiliary is have and we use the third form of verb finished. Rashda dash qualify the exam. Rashda has qualified the exam. You dash make beautiful painting. You have made beautiful painting. They dash plan for starting business. They have planned for starting business. Now coming to past perfect continuous tense definition. It indicates an action which was started, continued and was completed in the past. Past perfect continuous. It indicates an action which was started, continued and was completed in the past. Structure. Urdu sentences ends on ta raha tha, rahi thi, raha tha, rahi thi, rahe the, and we will use since and for or time duration in it. The structure is subject plus helping verb, had been, first form of verb plus ing and object. The use of since and for. For is used with period of time, since is used with point of time. Now coming to use appropriate verb, form the complete the sentence in past perfect continuous tense. She dash for 2 hours. So we will use the verb and convert this sentence into past perfect continuous tense. She, we will use auxiliary had been and the verb which is first form of verb plus ing, playing for 2 hours. She had been playing for 2 hours. They wait for you since Wednesday. They had been waiting for you. This is a mistake over here. They had been waiting for you since Wednesday. Kareem teach since 23rd July 2007. Kareem had been teaching since 23rd July 2007. Halima study since morning. Halima had been studying since morning. They run their business for 10 years. They had been running their business for 10 years. So we have to write down had been in all of the blanks along with the verb following ing. Now coming to comprehension of the text, unit number 4, Medina Charter. There are 6 questions and you have to write down 5 of these, and the last question, which is write an account of an act of tolerance you have shown or seen. सब्र या बर्दाश्त का एक ऐसा वाक़या जो आपने देखा या सुना, उसको लिखें. So this question will be attempted by you. You have to write down the answer of this question into your activity copy. Now coming to question number 1, unit number 5. Why did the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam abolish the tribal distinction in Medina? रसूल पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने क्यों कबाइली इम्तियाज़ मदीना में ख़त्म किया? The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam wanted that there should be harmony and cooperation among the different sections of people living in Medina. He desired that the people should enjoy permanent peace there. In order to achieve this goal, he abolished the tribal distinction in Medina. रसूल पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम चाहते थे कि लोगों में हम आहंगी और ताउन पैदा हो among different sections of people living in Medina. मुख्तलिफ़ तबक़ात में जो मदीना में रहते हैं उनके दरमियान हम आहंगी और ताउन पैदा हो. He desired that, उनकी ख्वाहिश थी, people should enjoy permanent peace there, ताकि लोग वहाँ पे देरीना अमन हासिल कर सकें. In order to achieve this goal, इस मकसद के हसूल के लिए, goal, aim, he abolished, उन्होंने ख़त्म कर दिया the tribal distinction in Medina, कबाइली इम्तियाज़ को ख़त्म कर दिया. Question number 2. What did UN adopt unanimously? UN means United Nation. Adopt इख्तियार करना, unanimously मुत्तफ़िक़ा तौर पर. अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा ने मुत्तफ़िक़ा तौर पर किस चीज़ को इख्तियार किया? UN, it will be written in capital words, adopted unanimously the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The declaration gives religious, personal, political, economic, social and cultural rights to human beings. अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा ने मुत्तफ़िक़ा तौर पर यूनिवर्सल डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट्स को इख्तियार किया. द डिक्लेरेशन गिव्स, ये डिक्लेरेशन हमें देता है मजहबी, ज़ाती, सियासी, माशी, माशरती और सकाफ़ती हकूक़ तमाम इंसानों को. ये डिक्लेरेशन तमाम इंसानों को ये तमाम हकूक़ देता है. Now coming to question number 3. How do we know that Islam is the protector of human rights? How do we know, हमें कैसे पता लगता है कि इस्लाम इंसानी हकूक़ का सबसे बड़ा मुहाफ़िज़ है? We know that Islam is the protector of human rights because all the clauses of Medina Charter give due right to a person or to the community as well. We know, हमें मालूम है that Islam is a protector, मुहाफ़िज़ है ह्यूमन राइट्स इंसानी हकूक़ का, because all the clauses of Medina Charter, क्योंकि मीसाक मदीना या मुआहदे मदीना के तमाम नुकात गिव ड्यू राइट टू द पर्सन, तमाम नुकात किसी इंसान को या किसी कम्युनिटी को, किसी माशरे को वो तमाम हकूक़ देते हैं. Define tolerance and give examples from the text. Tolerance means the ability or willingness to accept feelings, habits or beliefs that are different from your own. This value makes one face the hardship of life cool-mindedly. There are a number of examples of tolerance in the text. I am going to mention two of them. The Muslims, first one, the Muslims, the Jews and other communities of this republic should be free to profess religious ceremonies. Second, henceforth bloodshed, murder and violence should be abominable in Medina. Tolerance means the ability or willingness to accept feelings. बर्दाश्त का मतलब है इस काबिल होना या इस चीज़ का इजहार करना कि आप दूसरे के एहसासात, आदात और अकायद अगर वो आपसे मुख्तलिफ हों तो आप उसको तस्लीम करें, उस पर सब्र करें. दिस वैल्यू मेक्स वन फेस द हार्डशिप ऑफ लाइफ कूल माइंडेडली. ये आदत इंसान को इस काबिल बनाती है कि ज़िंदगी की तमाम मुश्किलात को ठंडे दिमाग से उसका सामना कर सके. देयर आर अ नंबर ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स. फर्स्ट वन, द मुस्लिम्स, द जूज़ एंड अदर कम्यूनिटीज़ ऑफ दिस रिपब्लिक शुड बी फ्री. मुसलमान, यहूदी और दूसरे तबकात इस जमहूरी मुल्क में आज़ाद हैं कि वो अपने परफॉर्म रिलीजियस सेरेमनीज़, अपनी मजहबी रसूमात अदा कर सकें. हैंसफोर्थ, इसके बाद ब्लड शेड, खूनरेजी, मर्डर एंड वायलेंस, तशद्दुद शुड बी एबमिनेबल. एबमिनेबल मीन्स हराम है इन मदीना. इसके बाद खूनरेजी, कत्ल और तशद्दुद मदीना में हराम है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, वी मस्ट ऑलवेज ऑनर आवर वर्ड्स. वाई? हमें अपने अल्फाज का भरम रखना चाहिए, हमें अपने अल्फाज की इज़्ज़त तकरीम करनी चाहिए. We must always honor our words because our religion makes it compulsory for us to do so. हमारे मज़हब ने हम पे लाजिम किया है कि हम ऐसा करें. और होली प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम was always true to his words. रसूल पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अपने बोले हुए अल्फाज में हमेशा सच्चे होते थे. He stressed upon the Muslims to honor their words. और उन्होंने मुसलमानों पर भी जोर दिया है कि वो अपने कहे हुए अल्फाज में सच्चे बने. So activity is write down comprehension 1 to 5 in English copy. Thank you students.